Blah, 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 blah. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Ty here with another random video with my little bro Aiden. That's who introducer. Hold on, who introducer. No, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. We'll do some random things outside or out in the yard. In same way, on where you wanna do again?
We wanna do a prank on the dog.
Repeat.
We want to do a prank on the dogs.
Okay, understand? So you know what have the big bull there, the Zimmy and you know the big German Shepherd. What do you have them name? You have some big dogs. Alright? So what kind of prank you want to watch you jump off the slippers like some imaginary? Anyways. Ready? How going to? Come, how going to? How going to? Tell me. Come now. What the prank is? Are you ready, you know? And I just need a video. Tell me. Do what?
I'm gonna dig a moat around the dog house.
Where's the dog house? Let's go.
It's behind you.
Where?
There. With that little bar right there.
Okay, let's go. Let's see you're gonna know. You know what? Let's go hunt.
A moat is something that protects a house.
Boring.
Oh, let's go hunt the other dogs, right?
We found one.
This one is ugly, right?
Yeah, the other one is around back head. He's black. He's kind of orange.
Okay.
Let's go. We found it.
Is this a pit bull?
Nope.
What kind of dog is that?
He's afraid.
Rottweiler?
Nope.
He's turning away so he could make the video.
Alright, tell you what. I have an idea. How about we do a race? How does that sound? Want to do a race with brother?
Yes.
Can you left me?
Yes.
We're gonna see. Let me see your form first. Let me see your form. Get on your mark.
I don't have a phone.
Alright, get on your mark.
Okay.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
That's it, get on your mark. You gonna think you can run left me?
Look at the top.
Okay then. Slow, coach.
Let's do the race now.
Wait, I'm gonna get the tripod and thing, okay? I'm the best. Come, run back, come back. Ready? Your mark, get set up. No, I won.
I was not ready that time.
No, you are cheating. Okay? Alright then. What else you gonna do?
Let's make another part.
Another
Okay.
another what?
Let's say something to them that we're gonna make a part 2.
A part 2?
Yeah.
So finish with this video now? It's up to you now. What else we can do in the video?
Okay. And we could
Make what? Guess what?
make an trampoline.
But guess what?
What?
You ugly. Ha!
Here.
Alright, what are we going to use and make the trampoline now?
Spring.
Where
Daddy
will we
has
spring?
his toolbox full of
We'll do that
springs.
next time, bro.
Eh?
Next time we do that, okay? It's gonna take too long right now. Ah boy. Alright guys, that's it. It was an eye glass. Are you not finished yet? You finished?
That's not it. That's not it.